너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I will cook chicken skin, fried chicken skin. You know, nowadays in Korea, very popular this chicken skin, fried chicken skin. You know, I heard some place, you know, want to eating this one, and many people queue, and they even queue they cannot get. You know, they sold out all. You know, so today I will try fried chicken skin. Yeah, you know, normally when we cook chicken, we throw away, you know, this skin take out, we throw away. But this skin, fried chicken skin, I looking for something internet, and then they say also very good for, you know, this health. Also they have many collagen, and they're very good for skin or something like this. Now I will introduce these ingredients, and we need chicken skin and this cake flour and salt, and we will make a sauce. We use mustard and onion, and then some sugar syrup and little bit sugar, and we will make. Yeah. So now let's start to make. First we put a little black pepper and little bit salt. You know, this is this wine, Korean wine. But if you don't have, your country has many wine, any wine, little bit alcohol put, because then take out this smell. And we just put a little bit mix. And a little bit cake flour. Yes, powder. Little bit more. This is very popular nowadays. They sell this one, and then in an hour all sold out. You know, so people very much queue in that place. Maybe you know there is a place. Very nice chicken skin, nice. Because here have not at all this fat. I took out all. Before when we cook, we normally throw away this skin. But I looking for some internet, very good for health, they say. Even high cholesterol, for high cholesterol people also. We make a little bit of water. Let's make a cover for cover. Okay, now let's put this one. Beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, first take out. Very nice, nice. Wow. Very beautiful looks. Last time I tried this one at home. It's very delicious, very delicious. So now when you cook chicken, and the chicken skin take out and don't throw away like this. It's cooking and eating very nice, very shock, delicious. With the beer, it's fantastic. Let's fry second time, one more time. You know, this everybody knew that if second time, one more time fry, then very crispy. For crispy, doing this one. Fantastic. Very nice, very fantastic. You know, when you fry any something, it's hot oil used. If you no use hot oil and then this food all eating oil and then it's no good looks. Also bad for health. So when you fry and they use hot oil, really hot oil. Nice crispy, huh? Oh, so nice. You know this from the chicken skin all out this you know this oil all out. No, it's very nice. Let's make a sauce. We put this mustard. Today we make a mustard sauce. You know this mustard sauce is very delicious. Mustard sauce and with onion. I cut onion. Little bit this sugar syrup. Little bit sugar. And a little bit salt. Just a little. And a little bit wine. And a mix. When I was in Europe, and my friend make this always when they eating something any, they make this mustard with the onion sauce, very delicious. Ready? Sauce, mustard sauce. You know this is with a drink with beer is very much fantastic. This chicken skin fried, you know, very nice. Wow, so delicious. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.